In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable image zoom on Shopify, on your Shopify store. So go to shopify.com and log into your store's admin account. Then go to your online store. From the left-hand menu, click on Online Store to expand the section. Then select themes. Once you've selected your theme, then you'll need to customize it. So first find the theme you're using and click on customize. This will then open the theme editor. Then you want to enable image zoom in the theme settings. So in the theme editor, look for theme settings. In the theme editor, look for the theme settings button. It may be at the bottom left or the top right corner. Then scroll through the settings and look for an option like product image or image zoom. Then toggle the setting to enable image zoom. If this option is not available, proceed to the next step to add the zoom functionality manually. If your theme doesn't support image zoom out of the box, you can install the Shopify app to add this feature. So go to Shopify App Store, search image zoom, and install a popular image zoom app like Magic Zoom Plus or Product Image Zoom. Then follow the app's instruction to enable the zoom functionality. Save the changes. Then you need to refresh your storefront to see the zoom effect in action. Then you can just test your zoom feature and hover over or click on the product image you want to see the zoom feature in action. Subscribe.